Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to Binary Global Consultancy. Friends, in this video we will discuss about different scholarships in UK for the session 23 and 24, 2023 and 2024. Which universities offer fully funded scholarships and what are their requirements, how students, bachelor's students, master's students and PhD students can apply for those scholarships. We will discuss in details. Before going in detail, I request you as always, if you are new on my YouTube channel, do like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and click bell icon as you can easily receive all important upcoming videos. So let's discuss in details. As you know that I have opened their official page of Study UK British Council. You can find scholarships and funding on this page. First of all, postgraduate fundings. In UK, the UK government runs a variety of scholarship programs to financially support international students who are looking for help funding their studies in the UK. The three main UK government scholarships on offer are: here you can see Great Scholarships, Chevening Scholarships, Commonwealth Scholarship. I have already made video on Chevening Scholarship, their requirements, which universities offers this scholarship, and you can also find Commonwealth Scholarships video on my channel. I will put the link in the description of this video. You can easily find. Today we will discuss about Great Scholarships. First of all, we will discuss about UK government fundings. The UK government offers hundreds of scholarships, bursaries and additional financial support to students from a large number of countries. From around the world, you can easily apply for these scholarships in UK. You can visit the UK Council for International Student Affairs website to find out more about the funding available if you are studying in the UK as a postgraduate student, including whether or not you are eligible to apply for a scholarship. You can easily find other fundings on this page. Here you can see that different students from different universities. For example, Francisco is from Argentina and he's giving tips for choosing a Chevening Scholarship, and he is a student in the University of Leeds. And here you can see Nadine. She's from Malaysia. She's Great Scholar. Great is the scholarship name of UK government. She's from University of Kent. And here you can see Soheb. He's from Nigeria, Commonwealth Scholar in University of Leeds. So you can easily listen their interviews and their tips and tricks about getting these scholarships. And also there are different postgraduate studentships for the students who will be admitted. For example, you are applying in any university in UK, you will be admitted and then you can apply these specific scholarships in different institutions. Their requirements are same as other universities in the world. For example, your latest degrees, transcripts, motivational letter, your updated CV, statement of purpose or your motivational letter. But for the students of PhD, they require at least one research article. You can see, and here the details about Great Scholarships. Great Scholarships are scholarships to study at UK universities across a variety of subjects for students from 18 countries. Each scholarship is worth a minimum of £10,000 towards tuition fee for 1 year taught postgraduate course. Each scholarship is jointly funded by the UK government's Great Britain campaign and the British Council with participating UK higher education institutions. As part of the program, all grad scholars will be invited to welcome an event in the first semester and a networking event in the second semester. Here you can see applications for the 22 and 23 are closed, and new applications for 23 will be available in October 2022 in this year. So at least you should have to apply before 6 months. So all these are the required details about these scholarships. Further, if you have any question, you can ask in comment box or you can directly contact me on Telegram group. You will be answered there. So that's it in today's video. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye.